Hey Costa, let's talk about office hours. This video is to tell you what to do during office hours and how to do it. What are office hours for? Well, they're time to do whatever you need to do. You can catch up with yourself. You can get further instructions from teachers on difficult assignments or concepts. You can make up tests and quizzes that you might have missed. You can work with groups on projects that you need to collaborate for. You could take a time out, or you can go see a counselor or a college and career counselor. Here's the schedule for office hours. If you'll note, the first office hours comes after period 2. During that time, you can meet with social science, English, visual and performing arts, and foreign language. The next office hours comes after period 4. During this time, you can meet with math, science, special ed, and PE teachers for whatever you need. In addition to meeting with teachers, you can also go to specific learning spaces that are scattered throughout the campus. One learning space is either the auditorium or the small theater. This learning space is for those who would like to study quietly. So there's no talking and no food allowed in this learning space. Another learning space where there is talking allowed is the library, but there's no food allowed there. And the cafeteria, where you can talk, have food where they serve it from 9:30 to 9:45, and work on projects. Other learning areas are classrooms. You can go to any of the teachers' classrooms who are open at that time if they're not collaborating in their department. Or you can study, meet with groups, or just chill in the quad. Also, you could go to the College and Career Center or the main office to take care of any business that you might be trying to get accomplished. A snack is served from 9:30 to 9:45. That's a time when you can get a snack either from the cafeteria or a cart and enjoy it while you are meeting with your groups or studying. So the most important thing, besides your choice of how to spend office hours, is that you get credit for being on campus. So how do you do that? First thing is you open your Aries app on your phone. Second thing is you sign in. Once you've signed in, you're going to be given two choices: scan and check into another room. Choose scan. Then find the QR codes that are posted in all learning centers, including the quad and the cafeteria. Another way to do this is choose check into another room. After you do that, you'll be provided with a list of rooms on campus that are open, and you just click on the room in which you are studying. Office hours are for you. So they are for you to be able to get accomplished things that you would normally run out of time during the day. So use them to benefit you and your goals. Do you need help with your Aries app or accessing Canvas? Come down to the main office. We can help you with that. Oh no, your phone has died just at the most inopportune time possible? Use a friend's phone. Sign into your Aries account and scan in. It will count you as scanned in. So let's review. Office hours are for you to accomplish your goals, both short-term and long-term goals. Next, choose a learning space that works for you. No learning space is required, so it is totally up to you to get the best place to work. Use your Aries app to scan in so that you get credit for being on campus. Have a snack or visit the CCC. That's it. Go Costa, and let's get those goals accomplished.